to linear functions. So a function doesn't have to be a straight line. There doesn't actually have to be any relation at all, or correlation, I guess it would be a better word. There doesn't have to be a correlation between the x and the y at all. It makes it very hard to write, but you could do it. It'd be something called piecewise functions, which we haven't covered, and I don't know that we will. But linear functions are, we're just going back to that y equals mx plus b, but as a function, we look at it as f of x equals mx plus b. Okay, and so we're going to use this practice problem. Go ahead and see if you can do it. Pause the video, and then maybe fast forward to the end to see if you got the right answer. And if you did, you don't have to watch the rest of the video. There's no reason for it. But if not, go through and see what steps I did. It shouldn't take very long. Okay, a taxi company charges $3.50. These are in, we're going to say US dollars. Plus 85 cents per mile. Write a function to show the cost of a taxi ride. Okay, so you're standing on the curb, you're getting ready to go somewhere, and you have called a taxi. And then you're like, how much is this taxi ride going to cost me? And of course, because you've had me as a math teacher, you're like, well, let me make a function for that. And so you decide to make a function, and you're going to say, well, r of m, because, and you don't have to, you could say f of x, but r for ride, based off of the number of miles, the m, would equal what? Well, what is my rate? My changing rate would be 85 cents per mile. Whenever you have that per something, that that's where your variable is going to go. So 85 cents per mile. So your slope is 0.85 m. Probably shouldn't use m since that stands for slope, but we are for this one. And then even if you don't go anywhere, even if you just get in the taxi and then get right back out, they're going to charge you $3.50 for being in their taxi and possibly exposing them to coronavirus. I don't know. Okay, so this would be your function, and that's really all there is to it. R of m equals 0.85 m plus 350. And you can plug in however many miles. Say you wanted to go 100 miles. Then that would be $853.50. No, it wouldn't. It'd be $88.50. Can't believe you guys didn't stop me from doing that. So 100 miles, we'd move our decimal twice. That'd be $85 and plus the 350. But now you have a function. If you happen to find a taxi company that would charge this amount, which most of them I believe charge more than that, but that's okay, then you have a function to figure that out. And you could create a function for any taxi company that you knew the rates for. Hopefully you got that. If not, hopefully you see what you were missing.